Hi guys, if you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstela, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another foundation review. I bought it yesterday, and then I put a poll on Instagram if you guys wanted me to review it, and 83% of you, I believe, said yes. So, that's what I'm doing today. To give it a fair shot, I did clean my face. I'm going to do it right. So, I did clean my face with my Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. I use the mattifying one just because I do have oily skin. So I clean my face with this first. And then I also moisturized, and I used my Formula 1006 Seriously Shine Free Mattifying Oil Free Moisturizer. It has all aloe vera and bamboo. And I love this moisturizer. I did get it from Ulta. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it is pretty good. So I use this before my makeup, if I remember. If not, I usually use my Clinique one. It's the same one. It's not this. The other one is a gel base. This one is kind of gel too, but it's kind of like a weird formula, but it does help me stay matte. So today's foundation review is going to be on COVERGIRL's new TruBlend Matte Made Foundation. I got the shade T10, and it says it's a 12-hour foundation. So yeah, I hope it looks like it's the right shade. I'm not sure, but this is what it looks like. And we're going to go ahead and try it out. So I haven't primed my face yet. I do want to read to you guys on the COVERGIRL website what it says on the foundation. So I'm just gonna go on the COVERGIRL website real quick. This retail, I got it from Walmart. It retails $8.42 at Walmart, and then $8.49 in Amazon, and then it's out of stock in Walgreens. That's what it says on the COVERGIRL website. And then I'm just gonna read a little bit about it. From your favorite COVERGIRL foundation line comes a matte formula that isn't drying or cakey. TruBlend Matte Made formula is developed with Flexi Hold technology that creates a strong yet flexible film on skin for durability and comfort, while the mattifying powders absorb oil and minimize pores for a soft, matte, flawless finish. Up to 12 hours of wear. And then the claims are 12-hour comfort matte, pore minimizing, oil control, transfer resistant, all in 40 shades. So they do have 40 shades, which I think is amazing. So yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So controls oils, minimizes the appearance of pores, and stays on for 12 hours. I'm going to do check-ins. I'm going to try to leave it on for 12 hours. It is 12:31 right now in the afternoon. And so 12 hours, 12 hours. Hold on, let me do my math. So I have to leave it on past midnight. I can do it. Okay. So I am going to prime my face with a good primer. This is one of my favorite ones. This is the Pore Professional Matte Rescue by Benefits. Right here. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with this. Put it all over. I rub it and then I pat it. That's what I do with all my primers. I'm gonna use a sponge to blend it. I'm gonna be using one of my AOA Studio sponges. And yeah, so I'm gonna put it on, see how it blends out and all of that, and then I'm gonna do my makeup off camera. Then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys like my final first impression thoughts, and then I'll do hourly check-ins. So I'm just gonna start off. So I already showed you guys what it looks like. It does have a pump, which I really love, and it is in a glass bottle. And I think it locks because it's not pumping right now. So I think I have to twist. Yeah, it's a lock. I love that. Okay. So I'm just going to put some on my hand. So that's what it looks like. It's not too liquidy, but it's not too thick either. Now that I look at it, it might be a little bit too dark, but I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it with my finger. The smell reminds me of another foundation, but I don't remember which one it is. But I do know another foundation I have smells like this. I don't know. It smells weird, but I don't mind the smell. I'm going to put one layer first and then see how that looks. And then I'll see if I need another layer. So, just going to wipe that off. Zoom you guys in so you guys can see how it's going to... Okay. Okay. So, just going to go ahead and start blending it out. It is a little bit too dark, but I'm going to use a light concealer to even it out. So, it's okay. Okay, so far, it's blending out really good. Oh, I know what it smells like. It smells like the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Yeah, it has the same smell. I remember now because I'm looking at it right now. It's up there. Okay. I'm just going to use it to prime my eyelids as well. So, just to get that out of the way already, since I'm going to be doing my makeup later on. So far so good. Pretty good coverage on the first layer. I can still see some of my birthmarks that I have on my face. And I have a little pimple right here and I can still see the redness. So I'm going to go ahead and put another layer. So far so good. It's not cakey or anything. And then I can still see some of my pores on my nose. Like the blackheads, because I do have blackheads on my nose. And I can still see those. So I'm just going to put another layer. Okay, so nose, here, 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 here. Have you guys seen my review for the ColourPop No Filter Foundation? I just did that like 2 weeks ago. So if you guys haven't seen that, I will link it on the screen somewhere. You guys can just click on it. And it will also be linked down below in the description box. So yeah, if you guys want to know what I thought about it, watch the video. I actually love reviewing foundations just because I don't know, like foundation. I love foundations. Like I can go a day with just wearing foundation, no eye makeup, no nothing, just foundation, and I'll be good to go. So that's why I like reviewing foundations, especially really affordable ones, like from the drugstore. Because who doesn't like to save money, you know? Okay, so the second layer did cover up a lot. I can't see my birthmarks anymore. And I can't see the pimple anymore. So that's pretty good. And then I didn't put that much under my eyes just because I am going to be wearing concealer. But it did cover up where I did put it. So it's pretty cool. And then it's not drying down fast, which I like about matte foundations, because it gives you time to work with them. So, okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and add concealer, just to see how it looks with concealer. Okay. I'm just going to be using the same sponge to blend that out. Okay. To set it, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal setting powder. It's the Born This Way. This is the Born This Way one. This one right here. Yeah. I'm going to use it to bake my under eye and also to set my whole face. I like how this powder has a little cap. So, you know. Just going to open it. And then I like to dump some on the cap. Especially when I'm going to be baking. Oh, I put too much. That's way too much. Okay, it's fine. So I'm just going to grab one of my sponges, this angled one, and then it is wet. I like to bake with the sponge wet just because it's it grabs the powder more better. I'm just gonna bake this under eye. And I like this sponge because of the shape of it. It really helps to get into the under eye. And then I also like to bake my nose just because it does get, you know, oily, and then around my nose, like that. And then sometimes I do bake up here depending on how long I'm going to be wearing the foundation. And since we're going to do a 12-hour wear test, I do want to bake. So there. And then my chin, why not? Okay. So now that you look like this, like said your whole face. I'm just going to try. I don't want to use the sponge. Since I'm already using the brush. I'm using the sponge. I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it all over my face, and then I'm going to use the brush to spread it out. So, wait, where is it? I'm gonna be grabbing my Morphe brush number Y11, and I'm going to be using this to blend this powder on my face. So, blend it out. And then don't forget, you have to set your neck too if you put foundation there. Yeah. I don't like to sweep it just because I feel like it moves the foundation around. So I'm just going to dab it. I do like how it's looking on my skin right now. My pores are still small. It doesn't look cakey or anything. It's not creasing. So, okay. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup off camera. And then I'll be right back to tell you guys like my final first impressions. And then we'll move on with the check-ins. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did my rest of the makeup and my skin looks really good right now. You can see my pores and it blended out so easily. And then I did the rest of the makeup, and after I added the powder, the contour, the blush, the highlighter, it didn't cake up. It didn't cake up or anything, and it hasn't gone oily yet. And it's been like an hour because I did film another video after I put it on. So yeah, right now I do like it. I am loving it so far. I'm gonna be doing check-ins, probably not on camera. I'll probably be using my iPhone and in the bathrooms because I don't want to be setting this up again. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna try to leave it on for 12 hours. Like I said, I put it on at 12:30 p.m. and it's already 2 o'clock. So it's gonna be 2 hours. So it's been an hour and a half. And yeah, so far I do like it. I'm gonna be doing check-ins. I don't know how many I'm gonna do, but I am gonna space them out. And then yeah, and then I'll tell you my final thoughts in the last check-in. So as of right now, I do like it, and I do recommend it as of right now. I'll tell you guys in my last check-ins and in my check-ins that are gonna come up. Hey guys, so this is my first check-in. It's been 5 hours, and my foundation still looks really nice, and my face does too. My pores are still non-existing, or at least not as big as they were. And yeah, I'm not oily yet, which I'm pretty impressed. And yeah, so far so good. I'll be back later for another check-in. Okay guys, so it's been 3 hours since my first check-in, so it's been 8 hours now, and I guess can tell I'm looking in the mirror, but I'm oily. I'm oily up here. Watch focusing. I'm oily right here, and then I'm oily right here. Just a little bit though, and then just a little, it's like just a tiny bit, like the oils are barely starting to come out, but it still looks really good. But you guys can see around my nose, major cracking, like major cracking around my nose, and I hate that. But everything else seems fine. I'm gonna do one last check-in in an hour or two. That will be my last one. So yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I accidentally deleted my last check-in, so I'm just gonna put this cute picture of myself while I tell you guys my last check-in. So at this point it was already past 12 hours, and at this point my face was oily like a lot, and then I had no foundation around my nose anymore. but I still had the rest of the foundation on my face on. Like it was still on. I was just really, really oily. But I mean, I still recommend it, and I'm still gonna wear it. I'm just not gonna wear it for that long ever again, because I don't usually even wear foundations that long, anyways. So yeah, I mean, I think for 8 hours, it's fine. I started getting really oily after the 8 hours, so I'll probably wear it like on a normal day. I probably would wear it, and yeah, but I do recommend it to you guys. Just that it claims to be 12-hour wear, and it is there. Like it does last to 12 hours, but it's not gonna keep you matte the whole 12 hours. But I do recommend it. And if you guys have tried it and it's lasted you the whole 12 hours, like, and it's kept you matte too, let me know. Maybe I did something wrong, or I don't know, maybe I do have really bad oily skin. But yeah, I would wear it, and I am gonna repurchase it. But yeah, I was still impressed with this foundation, and I still really like it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.